Hello all, I am back again explaining program number 2. To start off with program number 2, right click on the file and open it with Java 6 runtime. You will be given the same window. Next you have to change the scenario to wide scenario. You will be given a window like this. So according to the second program, you have to make 6 nodes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and link it with duplex link. Make sure you change the properties of the link to get all the preferred properties like capacity, and you can also change some other properties going to setup. For example, queue size, you can make it 10:5 as per requirement. So eventually you have to connect all the nodes like this, all are duplex links. After doing that, you don't have to go to agent or application. You can directly go to parameters, give the simulation time as 10, and I would recommend give the trace file and the NAM file with a different name. Now after connection, when you click on TCL, you should be given a file something like this. There should be nothing in agent definition, application definition, where you have to fill certain parameters. The parameters include: first, under initialization, you have to give the agent definition. Then you have to go down to agent definition, where you have to give the agent definition of for all the 6 nodes different agent. Next you have to give the application definition, where you have to connect all the ping agents to one another. Then you have to set the duration at which all the ping agents should send the packets. So you can directly fill all those here in the agent definition and the application definition and initialization just before this simulator. That ends program 2. Moving on to program 3. Again, program 3 is a wide scenario, so click on wide scenario. In node definitions, you have to give 7 nodes starting from 0 here, 1 here, and 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, and 6 here. So there are 7 nodes here. Then you have to go to link and create a duplex link between 5 and 6 with capacity 100. Now under agent, go to TCP and give N0 as TCP source, N6 as TCP sink, and connect the two. You can connect the two by just left clicking on one another. Again, now go back to TCP, give N3 node as TCP source and give N4 as TCP sink and connect the two. Now go to application and give both the TCP FTP and FTP. In parameters, change the name of the trace file and the NAM file for program3.tr and go to TCL. Now a certain part of code should be added into this for the entire program to complete. They are: first of all, in the link definition, give the LAN definition and connect the LAN with this command. Then go to the setup, application definition setup, and add this part of the code, and you have to give the AWK file. Now moving on to program 4. Program 4 is fairly simple. Open the file with Java 6 runtime. Now you have to click on wireless scenario and attach 3 nodes. Make sure the middle node is in between the 2 nodes, so you get like an intersection like this. Now you have to define waypoints for these three nodes to show it is motion in motion. So to do that, you have to right click on that node and give the waypoint. Give the starting time 0.1, destination wherever you want, xy coordinates, and the speed with which it should move should be given, and then you have to press done. So after that, you have to go to agents. Now this first agent should be defined as a TCP source. The second node will act as a TCP sink. So TCP sink, just like this, and you have to connect the two. Then again, the second node should act as UDP source. So go to UDP, select this, select UDP. So this node should act as UDP destination or null and connect the two. Now go to application. So the TCP as expected will have a FTP connection and the UDP will have a constant bitrate connection, just like this. And you can go to parameters. All the parameters, like in the simulation, you can change it to program 4 for ease of writing the AWK file. Next, go to wireless and click on this routing protocol and select AODV, and you can, all the others properties remains the same. Next, click on done and the TCL program will automatically be generated. The only thing which you have to look onto is the AWK file. That ends program number 4. Program 5 and 6, there is no other option, at least what I know. You have to by heart the whole code.
By heart.